Today I'll discuss the new blueprint of the Australian Dental Council examination, which has been proposed in May 2021. So you have to study as per the new blueprint. You need to understand what kind of questions in how many groups are asked. So let me start by telling you that as per new examination format, there will be 280 questions total, out of which 40 questions will be unscored. It means you will attempt it, but these 40 questions will not be counted. Whether they are correct or not, they will not be counted. But you will not know which question is not scored. You will have to attempt all the questions thinking that your questions will be counted and it will participate in your success. So for you, total number of questions are 280. These 280 questions will be asked in 4 sessions. Each session will contain 70 questions of 70-minute duration. The examination will be held in 2 days, 2 papers each day. Total questions are divided into 4 clusters, 1, 2, 3, 4. The questions are clustered in 4 clusters. Each cluster will contain certain domains, like in cluster 1, domain number 1 and domain number 4. Domain 1 is professionalism. Domain 4 is related with health promotion. Cluster 2, 3 and 4 contains domain 6, which is related with patient care. So cluster 2 will contain domain number 6.1, which is related with clinical information gathering. Cluster 3 is related with domain number 6.2, which is related with diagnosis and management planning of the patient. Cluster 4 is related with domain number 6.3, which is related with clinical treatment of the patient and its subsequent evaluation. Remember, these questions are spread throughout clusters, which will be spread throughout all the papers. It's not like previous that certain questions or subjects will be asked in certain paper. Questions will be placed in any of the paper in any session. Australian Dental Council has introduced the term discipline. Disciplines nothing but subjects. Certain number of questions will be asked from certain disciplines. For example, restorative dentistry, that includes fixed prosthodontics, will contain 12% of total questions. General medicine, including medical emergencies and special need dentistry, it will contain 9% of the questions. Endo, oral surgery, pedo, ortho, perio, prostho will contain 8% questions each. Dental emergencies and pain and behavior management will contain 6% question each. Removable prosthodontics will contain 6% questions. Radiography, infection control and prevention will contain 5% questions each. Besides, there are 2 sub-disciplines. One is implant. One is implant, where 4% questions will be asked spread throughout the disciplines and 10% of questions will belong to pharmacology. Questions pertaining to implant will be 4% and pharmacology 10%. These questions will spread throughout all the disciplines. So you have to remember this fact too. To pass part 1 examination, you need to pass each cluster separately. You need to get either A or B grade to pass it. If you get C or D grade, you will be declared fail. If you fail it, you need to retake the test. In the subsequent lecture, I'll discuss in detail what is professionalism, what is health promotion, and about other domains that you can see in subsequent lectures. This is end of the presentation. I'll suggest that you subscribe this channel so that the moment we upload new lectures, you will come to know about it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time and take care of yourself.